spectacular. So today I'll show you how two subsystems, subsystem A and subsystem B, work together seamlessly. Subsystem A is where the student data is stored in JSON format. Subsystem B is an HTML page that consumes this JSON data and displays it directly in the table. So what makes this powerful is that subsystem B doesn't need to transform or duplicate the data. Instead, it reads the JSON as is, so any updates made in subsystem A are automatically reflected in subsystem B. In this workthrough, we'll see how a simple change in the data, like updating a student's name, instantly appears in the table once the page is refreshed. This will highlight the real-time connection between the two subsystems and prove how effective data integration can be. In this walkthrough, we'll see how a simple change in the data, like updating a student's name, instantly appears in the table once the page is refreshed. This will highlight the real-time connection between the two subsystems and prove how effective data integration can be. Here is subsystem B, the HTML page that consumes the student's data. As you can see, the table is populated with the student information from subsystem A, which is stored in the JSON data. So for the student information, we have the ID, the name, the course, and the year. This is an example of data integration. Subsystem B reads the JSON data directly and displays it without changing the original data. Any changes in the data are reflected here automatically. Now, I'm going to make a change in the data. For example, updating Maria Santos to Maria Garcia. After saving the change and refreshing the table or the page, the table updates immediately. This shows that subsystem B automatically consumes the updated data from subsystem A. So this demonstration proves that data integration works. Subsystem A provides the structured data and subsystem B consumes and it displays it in real time. I also choose functional integration because it supports scalability. Most importantly, it strengthens decision making by providing complete, reliable data for compliance, reporting, and academic planning. So what we just saw is a simple but powerful example of how data integration works in practice. By connecting subsystem A, which stores the data information in JSON, with subsystem B, which displays the data in a table, we created a direct pipeline between the two. The key takeaway is that subsystem B doesn't need to duplicate or manually update the data. It simply consumes what subsystem A provides. That means any changes made at the source is instantly visible in the consumer systems. This kind of integration is essential in modern application because it ensures consistency, accuracy, and efficiency. Instead of managing multiple copies of data, we rely on a single source of truth.